Okay, welcome back. I'm just setting up here a little bit. It gave me a little problem just now, but I think I may have sorted it out. Okay. Okay. So what I want to look at here now is to provide you with a little bit more information. Um, Sorry about that. Let's just go in a little bit. Make sure that we can get this into frame. Right. Now, electrical symbols, all I'm doing here is showing you electrical symbols. Conductor general symbol is this line. Flexible conductor, you can see a flexible conductor symbol. Okay. Conductors in conduit. Okay. That's a symbol for conductor in conduit. Two conductors. You never run single conductors on their own. So this case symbol, n equals number of conductors. Always never less than two. Okay. You do not run a single conductor in conduit at all. Not a good idea. Okay. Sorry, let me just up on a little bit too fast. And just inch up a little bit. Here we have earth conductors. Okay. Connections, terminal or tag, general symbol. Okay. Hinge or bolted contacts. Okay. Link normally closed with two bolted contacts. Okay. That's all. That's what they're showing you here. Make sure I can get that into view. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. And here we are. Let me just see if I can get on a little bit. Interview. And here we have conductors connections. Okay. Crossing of conductors. No electrical connection. Junction of conductors. Okay. Double junction of conductors. Okay. Cells and batteries. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. I think. Let me just go and zoom a bit more. Zoom. A bit more zoom. Give me a bit more zoom. Yes. That's zoom enough for me. That's good. Okay. Okay, good. Let me just catch back up a little bit. Reflect. All I'm going to do is just go back up the top to reflect. Make sure that we get it in a large size so we can see everything. Okay. And again, we look at electrical symbols. Just recapping. Okay. So let me just carry on down. And here we have capacitors. Okay. General symbol. Okay. General symbol for capacitor. Polarized electrolytic capacitors. Okay. Fuses. Okay. Filament lamps. resistors, fixed resistor, general symbol, okay, and you can see variable resistor, fixed resistor, variable resistor, and this is your inductor, okay. Remember, your inductor is always a coil of copper wire of some form or another. These are normally closed switches, normally closed switch, normally open, okay, contact normally open, okay, 2-pole switch mechanical link, okay. You got 3-pole switch mechanical link. Change over contact 2-way. Rotating machines, alternating current generator, that's your symbol, okay. Direct current generator, okay. DC. And here you can see that we've got double wound transformer, simplified form, okay. Double wound transformer with center tapping, okay. Here we have three-phase transformer delta star connection, okay. Integrated meter, watt hour meter, voltmeter, okay, amp meter, watt meter, okay. And this is a circuit diagram, okay. Just showing you a circuit diagram. Simplify, you can apply this to anything basically. It's just for illustration purposes only, okay. Wiring diagram, okay. Again, purely for illustration purposes only, okay. It's not for any specific item. Okay. Now be aware that you make sure that you are compliant with the IEE regulations, current edition of the IEE regs, main control or intake point, because some of these symbols just sometimes go through changes. So be allow for the factor, okay? Be sure that you are relevant to the current IEE regs. Transformers, okay. lighting points, fire exits, okay. And here you have fluorescent lamp single and fluorescent lamps group. 2 or more would be a group, okay. Thermostat block diagram, okay. Symbol for bell, clock, fan, etc. Speaker, and you can see all your relevant symbols here. Okay, I don't need to read them out to you. Tells you they're quite specific, quite visible. Okay. You have a single pole one-way switch, 2-pole one-way switch, cord operated single pole one-way switch, okay, pull switch if you like, 2-way switch, intermediate switch, okay. Socket outlets, okay. You can see socket outlet, general symbol, switch socket outlet, okay. Switch socket outlet, okay. Multiple socket outlet, example for 2 plugs, double socket, okay. 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 Multiple switch socket outlet for 2 plugs, okay. These are switched, these are non-switched, okay. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.